So we finally finished the development on our Ford Mustang front camera system. So we're going to integrate an aftermarket front camera into this beautiful Sync 4 screen of the Ford Mustang. So we wanted to give you a sneak peek of how the system works and show you some of its key functions and features. The first thing to do is activating the front camera in any gear, obviously other than reverse, is a double press of the OK button on the right side of the steering wheel, and there you have the front camera displayed on the screen. Now the interface that we've developed uses an AHD camera, which is an analog high definition camera, so the quality of the camera is really clear. In terms of how a front camera system operates to be nice and seamless and an OEM type integration, we've also built in some additional functions for this system. If we go to reverse, the system will automatically display the factory reverse camera and sensors as expected. But if you're doing a parking maneuver and you go from reverse to drive, it will automatically display the front camera there on the screen and then disappear once the car drives over 15 kilometers per hour. We've also added in the ability to view the front camera and the reverse camera at the same time. So we can double press the OK button on the steering wheel, and there you have the front camera visible with the rear camera while you're in a reversing maneuver. If you want to remove that picture, you very simply double press the OK button again and it returns to the factory reverse camera screen. The system is currently in production and it will be available very soon. But if you have any questions or you'd like any further information, please visit our website or give our sales team a call.